Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to create float animation in PowerPoint. So let's start. First we'll create the some image for path. So I took the here angles. One by one I will create here. So a little adjust here, drop down. Then I will use the one more straight line here. Okay. Then adjust the same. Okay. Little I will drop down because I have to add the two more line. So here okay. Again I'll take it copy for same line. I'll drag it up. Then I will add the curve actually forehead because here I don't want the angle. I want curve. So little adjust. Let's yes, it's okay. Yes, it's clear. So now we'll do the some color. Here I will give the red. This will be green, then yellow, and here I'll keep it blue or sky blue. So now our path is done. Now I have to add one more, which is floating, like any object. So I will select some picture, better understanding, for better understanding. So here, yes, I'll take it this ball. This is black color, this ball. I'll adjust here for size according our requirement. Then I will drop on the edges. Fit. Now we'll go in the animation tab. Here you can see this is animation tab, and then we'll select the custom path. You can see the custom path. Then single click and select shift and control. Then drag it. Then your line will straight. And wherever you want to stop, just click one down. See. So our line is done. The additional we don't want, I'll put it escape. Now you can see. Now we'll edit some point because you can see there are round path. So I'll go the edit point, then click here. Simple. First we'll take the smooth point. Now you can see. The almost is done, but we have to create in the center. So what you will do, just little adjust here. Adjust. Better. So rest of everything is fine. Here you can see this is line is not straight because we stretch it. So again we'll select and we'll follow the same. Here edit point, this again, and then you can see the statement. Now it's done. So our animation is done. Next step, we'll go again in the home to select this ball because I want to fill the whole more than like 10-15 ball in the same path, not the single. So I'll take it copy one by one. You can see here, yes, copy paste, or better you keep my copy and paste like little distance, then you can select easier. See here, again I will copy then paste. I'll adjust here, again same process. I have done. Again I'll select the all. Then I'll go in the arrange, same in the home tab. Go align, then do the first align in middle. Now you can see. Again select, I will do the center. Now all ball are selected in the center. Again I will drag and keep it on my edge where I want to flow this all. Select the proper. The first one I didn't select to show you. Then again I will go in the animation. There are the little changes and the timing. So first you have to open the animation pane. You can see animation pane. Then now you can see this all image which we copied that ball. You can see the number of total 16 image. So here what you have to do, the first one will be default. Second, you have to go and select the start with the previous, and you can see here the 2 3 which is showing. Once you will select it, the number will go the minus by from the downside. So one by one you have to follow the same process with the previous, and then single click for delay. Single click for delay. That will be 25 additional. Now you can see the right side also is going little delayed because we have 15 ball and that we want to maintain the one by one. So we'll have to add the delay here. Same process I'm following here. You can see this. Now the finally is done. Total timing and delay is done. Again you have to select all, same, control A. Now we'll go in the timing. Timing here you can see the depend on how you want. So I'll put it here slow and then repeat. Repeat I will put it here 1000 for example because I want to repeat. Now you can see this is. But there is some bouncing and you can see the gap. Again I will select the timing. I'll go in the effect. I'll reduce here because it was bouncing. You see, I'll put it here 28 and 20. I'll put it 12. Yeah. So now it's done. And timing, I'll do the very slow because ball was bouncing and it look like very fast. Now you can see. Again, you will see there are gap coming. You can see end of the cycle is gap coming. So here we'll reduce the duration. See, I will reduce the duration 400. Until now it's done. We'll go in the slide. We'll take it. Click any button, press any. Now you will see our animation is done. I hope today you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.